वी नीड टू टॉक। वाओ! इतना सब हो रहा है ना देश में। मेरे को बात करनी है, प्लीज लेट्स सिट डाउन एवरीवन। बिकॉज देश में क्या चल रहा है गाइस, दिस इज नॉट फनी एनीमोर। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्रोटेस्ट फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट। हमारे देश में बाय द वे बहुत सारे प्रोटेस्ट चल रहे हैं। द वन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज द सीजेपी प्रोटेस्ट against NEET UG paper leaks. Where do I even begin? I'm pretty sure nobody is unaware at this point, but if you are, it's totally fine. Just go ahead and Google stuff. NEET paper was leaked, and people are holding the education minister of this country accountable. And all we want is the resignation of धर्मेंद्र प्रधान। बट समहाउ उनके कान में जू नहीं रेंग रही, किसी के भी कान में जू नहीं रेंग रही अपेरेंटली। एंड इट इज सो स्कैरी, लाइक व्हाट द फक। I have so many things that I need to talk about, so I will get into them one by one. Let's talk about the fact ki what this protest stands for. This protest stands for the justice of the NEET UG paper aspirants, ठीक है, जिनके साथ इतना unfair हुआ है, and I also stand with that cause. This does not mean I support any political party or am advocating any other propaganda. And I really wanted to go into that protest. I live in Delhi NCR. I wanted to go. I had everything planned out, but somehow at the end moment it did not work out and I was not able to go. तो मेरे को बहुत ही ऐसे हुआ कि fuck, I'm not doing enough. So I thought कि मैंने decide किया था to be a content creator, so I might use my platform, which I know does not have any reach or anything, but it feels wrong to not talk about it and be ignorant about it, because it's all that I consume in my day-to-day life, and it just feels wrong if I am not talking about it on my YouTube channel. पहली बात तो, as I mentioned, I couldn't go into the protest. बहुत लोगों को लगा कि who am I to speak about this then, जब आप protest नहीं गए, जब आप घर बैठे हो. All I have to say to them is that I am not your villain. I am also not your hero. Um, we are all part of this movement and we are all doing the best we can, ठीक है, that is all I have to say. दूसरी बात, जिनको लगता है this protest is about following सोनम वांगचुक और उनकी ideologies और किसी political party के बारे में है, कहाँ जी रहे हो आप लोग? Like, is it that hard to just wake up and see the reality? This is not what it's about. I don't give a fuck what Sonam Wangchuk said. I don't care what his ideologies are. I just know he's a great asset to this country, and even though he said some riot inducing statements in the past, please look it up, look for context, because as far as I know, with the proper context, what he said means nothing. It's like having an opinion which so many people have these days, and if you're worried about how it might influence people, he's not a politician at the end of the day, so we don't need to worry about all that. मेरे को ना सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत इस प्रोटेस्ट से ये है कि that we keep on deflecting. हम मुद्दे से हटते जाते हैं, हर छोटी चीज आती है एंड वी गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड बिकॉज वी आर सो बिजी फाइंडिंग द विलन। हम सबके बीच में हमें रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा हु द बिगर प्रॉब्लम इज। आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस in a generalized way, like there are people fighting for this, but majority मैंने जो notice किया है, people going after content creators, people going after Sonam Wangchuk and people who are advocating, who are genuinely support him. मेरी बात सुनो, he has done a lot for this country, you cannot deny the fact. Google, just Google it. This is coming from someone who did not used to be very politically aware. I have never really spoken up in the past about political movements because I didn't think I was educated enough to, not because I was ignorant. I was aware what was happening, but I didn't think I was educated enough to. But now I think I'm educated enough to speak about something, which is why I've come here and decided to talk about it. It is absolutely disheartening to see the state of this country and how the government is handling this protest. Lathi charge is happening, guys. Do you guys understand? These are students my age. This is the same thing that I've been through. A year ago I was in the same position. I've also been part of this whole entrance exam wala situation. For those who don't know, I'm currently pursuing engineering, and मैंने भी एक time पे competitive exams दिए हैं, and I kid you not, it is the most stressful मोमेंट इन समवंस लाइफ। मेरे को नहीं पता इतने लाइटली कैसे ले लेते हैं लोग इन चीज़ों को, बिकॉज़ जेन्युइनली मेरे को नहीं पता कब से कोचिंग जाते हैं लोग just to crack these papers, spending lakhs and lakhs of fees for the tuitions, for the education, and hours of dedication to study for these exams just to give an exam. समझ रहे हो? Like guarantee भी नहीं है कि they'll get into college, like, cause इतना competition है, इतना सब कुछ है, and on top of all that for this to happen. It's just it I salute every single student who gave the re-NEET, and I am with you, and your efforts did not go to waste. I just want to tell you, like, imagine going through all that, uske baad bhi to have the courage to go out there and protest, like, for your own rights, only for some middle-aged man to be like ki this is reckless reporting, is fucking insane to me. Samajh rahe ho? It's like, it's just astonishing, and it's so sad to see the way this country is so ignorant about the youth of this nation. Like, do you guys not understand hum hi future hain? And if you guys treat us this way, you will not last. I don't know how you are not realizing this. मेरे को बस एक क्वेश्चन है इस देश की, like, पॉलिटिकल लीडर से, like, हाउ डू यू स्लीप एट नाइट? लाइक, आप लोगों को रात को नींद कैसे आती है सर? बिकॉज मेरे को नहीं आ रही, एंड मेरे जैसे करोड़ों लोगों को नहीं आ रही, बिकॉज रात भर ऑल आई डू, आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग, 3 बजे तक ऑल आई एम डूइंग इज स्क्रोलिंग, एंड एवरी न्यू रील, ऑल अबाउट द स्टेट ऑफ दिस कंट्री, बाय द वे, विद एवरी न्यू रील मेरे को और शौक मिलता है. इट जस्ट गेट्स वर्स एंड वर्स. लाइक, मेरे को नहीं पता इतने डिनाइल में कैसे हैं ये लोग, बिकॉज इट इज रियली ऑल आउट देयर. लाइक, डू यू guys अंडरस्टैंड हाउ concerning it is that the media ranking of this country is 157th in the entire world? They are ready to bury it all, then take accountability. And कब तक genuinely कब तक ऐसा चलेगा? Like, how long can they go on like this is beyond me. The reason I've decided to come up here and speak about it is because I've gotten my information through internet, and if मेरे through किसी और को थोड़ी awareness मिलती है, then that's all I want. So if you're someone like me who's younger than me, who does not really understand the gravity of this protest, I just want you to know that it is okay, it's all right. Just don't be ignorant from now on. Just go ahead and research about the topics. Please educate karo sabko, and अपने आप को भी please know what you stand for. Please don't deflect from topics. Please know that at the end of the day, this protest is about the students and for the students, not for some political party. That's all I have to say on this topic. I feel so guilty about the fact that I could not go to the Jantar Mantar protest, but I will still do everything I can. मैं most probably I'll also put down links for donations for this protest in my description box, so you can go there and donate, because every little thing counts. And just know that ये आपका भी देश है. Thank you everyone. That's all I have to say in this video. See you in the next one.